Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a super exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing the Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Blush, and I have the shade Peach Sunset. So usually in my videos, I like to share a bunch of new products with you guys and share my honest thoughts in a full face of first impressions, and you guys like those videos, but sometimes they tend to get really long, and so I wanted to try out a different style of videos where I just test one specific product for you guys and give you my full honest thoughts and give you lots of details on what I'm thinking, how I'm feeling. So that's what I did today. If you guys enjoy this style of videos and you want to see more specialized videos like this, definitely give this video a big thumbs up so I know, and I'll continue making videos like this. So if you guys are interested in seeing me test out this blush by Tarte, and if you're interested in knowing what my honest thoughts are on this product and if I recommend it or not, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, we are going to jump into the blush now. I'm super excited. This is the Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Blush, and I have the shade Peach Sunset. So it's a really nice peachy color. I'm super excited to try this. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's that beautiful light sea blue turquoisey color, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So here is the shade. It's a beautiful peachy pink, you guys. It looks a lot lighter than what I was expecting, like in comparison to the packaging. Well, actually, you know what? It looks pretty similar. But also something cool is that in the back, it also has the color. So that's interesting. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I wonder if this is going to give a sheer finish or a really nice matte bright finish. I'm curious. I actually don't know what to expect. But on the back here, it says blend onto cheeks using fingertips or brush for the perfect flush. So let's give this a shot. I'm gonna go in with my blush brush right here and just dab into the pan. Wow, okay, right off the bat, this does not look peachy at all. This looks very much pink against my skin tone. Wow, this is blending really beautifully and I'm loving. I do want to attempt using my fingers just to see how that applies on top of foundation. That is looking really nice and it's actually blending out really beautifully. Gonna go in with my brush just to soften that out. You guys, I put way too much blush on, but we can confidently say that this product has a lot of pigment. I will say that it's not drying matte. It definitely has like a satin finish. It has a little bit of a glow and a shine, and I'm not complaining. I actually really like that. I'm gonna put some blush on my nose. You guys are probably like, holy cow, this is a lot of blush. But you guys will see what I do with my concealer. I'm gonna completely clean this up and soften it out. But damn, there is a lot of pigment in here. All right, so I wanna show you guys how I like to clean up way too much blush on my face. I honestly do this on purpose because when you go in with concealer, your blush really gets lost and it gets really softened out. So I like to go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and then I'm gonna set everything in place with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder, and I like to use the shade Pound Cake. Alright, so just by blending out the concealer, you guys can already see how much the blush has toned down. So I'm going to quickly set everything in place and then we will continue. While everything is baking and setting in place, I want to go ahead in and do my brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4, and I'm just going to brush out my brows. Alright, brows are done. I'm going to take my brush and wipe away the setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. I do want to just drag that powder down and just set my cheeks as well. So just by dragging that powder down, you guys can see it really mattified the blush and softened it out. In comparison to this side, I haven't actually done that. It remains really nice and shiny and glossy, so that's just a difference. If you want to mattify it, just put a little bit of setting powder on top. But I honestly like both. I think both look beautiful. Can you guys just recall what my face looked like prior to me using concealer and concealing my face? The blush looked ridiculous, but look how the blush looks now. Looks a lot softer and looks a lot more normal, so trust the process. So I do want to amplify my blush just a little bit. I want to see how the product performs once it's set in place with some powder. I want to see, does it get patchy or is it still buildable? Because sometimes I like to go back in and add more blush, so I want to test that out. And I actually want to do something different. I want to go in with a beauty sponge and I want to see how it performs with a beauty sponge. So I'm just going to go in and grab some product with my beauty sponge, and I'm going to dab this color onto my cheeks. So right away I can see that it is layerable, it's buildable, it's not getting patchy, it's actually performing really well. Wow, I actually really love how this is looking. I'm gonna take my brush and with whatever product is on there, I'm going to soften out the blush. But wow, that you guys saw was beautiful. It did not get patchy. It performed beautifully. It layered very effortlessly, so I'm really impressed. I'm gonna take some Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby Highlight. The highlight really hugged onto the cream blush and it's extra poppin' right now. I'm not complaining, I love it, but that's just a bonus. I do want to soften out the highlight with my beauty sponge. So I'm going to just blend on top of that and let it melt into the skin. So base is pretty much done, you guys, and I just want to quickly go off camera and wrap up my face. I'm going to put some mascara on and do my lips, and then I will be right back to share my final honest thoughts. Alright you guys, so here is the final makeup look, and honestly you guys, I'm really impressed with this blush. The only downside I will say is that it is not the color that it says it is. This color is called Peach Sunset, and you guys can see this is what it's supposed to look like, but this is how it looks on me. So it looks very pink. I think that maybe it's peachy on different skin tones, but maybe against mine, the peachy tones kind of disappear because I do have more of like an olive, more brown skin tone. So maybe it looks peachy on lighter skin tones. In terms of the product, you guys saw it performed beautifully. It has lots of pigment, it layers effortlessly. I definitely like the glow that it has, and it paired beautifully with my highlight. Like, I just look like a glowy queen right now. If you guys tried out this Tarte blush, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I would also love if you guys shared some suggestions on cream blushes that you've been loving. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, everything else that I used on my face today, whether I mentioned it in the video or not, will be listed down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys are interested in seeing a full tutorial, because of course in today's video I didn't do a full tutorial, make sure to check out my makeup tutorials playlists. I have a ton of makeup tutorials on on my channel that you can check out. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!